Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I will show you how to make a green bean casserole. And this green bean casserole, a lot of people like to have this side dish for Christmas as well as for Thanksgiving. But either way, you can have this green bean casserole with any meal of your choice. So today I will show you how to make this green bean casserole. It's really simple, it's really delicious, and my family really enjoys it. If you have small kids and they don't like green beans, this is a great way to get them to eat their vegetables. This recipe calls for 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, which is 10 3/4 ounces. You will need a 1/2 cup of milk. You will also need 12 ounces cut green beans that are frozen. You will also need 1 can, which is 2.8 ounces of French fried onions. So the first thing that you are going to be putting into your 1.5 quart casserole dish is the green beans, once you have the green beans in your casserole, and then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of milk. The next ingredient that I will be adding would be the 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Would be the French onions. So I would be adding a 1/2 can of these onions into my mixture here. It's about a 1/2 can there. So once you have the French onions in there, then you're going to mix all the ingredients together. And now you're going to put this dish into the oven, and you're going to bake it at 350 for 25 minutes. And then once the 25 minutes are up, I'm going to remove it from the oven. And then I'm going to add the remainder of these onions. And we'll let it bake for an additional 5 minutes until you start seeing it starts to bubble. So I will be back in 25 minutes and we'll see how this green bean casserole is turning out. See you then. It's been 25 minutes and now I'm going to add the remaining fried onions. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven and add an additional 5 minutes until it's hot and a slight boil. Then I'll set my timer for 5 more minutes. And I'll see you back. I just removed the green bean casserole out of the oven, and I hope you and your family will enjoy this great side dish. And please let me know in the comments section if your kids like to eat green beans this way. See you guys next time. Take care and enjoy.